going to show you how to actually clip in your hair extensions. So if you're watching this video, you want to know how you are going to clip in your hair extensions, or you're curious about how the whole process works. Let me give you a little bit of information on clip-in hair extensions and the reason why I love my clip-ins so much. I am a wife and a mom, and as you know, that can be very, very busy, you know, adding to your schedule on top of being an entrepreneur and a business owner. So I have a limited amount of time, honestly, that I spend on myself because I'm so busy with my business and I'm busy being a wife and a mom. And you know, my daughter requires a lot of time out of me, as well as my husband, so that might make me a mother of two. No, I'm just teasing, but being a mother and a wife, you are very limited on the amount of time that you have. And so my clip-in hair extensions allow me to look fabulous, as well as be able to, you know, make it convenient for me. So how are clip-in hair extensions convenient? Clip-in hair extensions are extremely convenient because a lot of the time I'm literally running out of the house because I have such a tight schedule and I have to get my daughter to school, or sometimes my husband takes her. But on my days that I'm taking her, I literally have to just grab my clip-in hair extensions and clip them in my head while I'm traveling, you know, down the road taking her to school. So when I'm stopping at a red light, I'm clipping in a weft or two, you know, putting them in my hair, and they look fabulous, you know, by the time I get to my destination. So they are very, very convenient, and they're easy to clip in or clip out. So a lot of the time when I'm ending my day, I will go ahead and start clipping out my hair while I'm on my way home. So if I know home is my final destination for the day, I am already taking out my clip-in hair extensions on the way home. And so I love that idea, and I love that fact about adding hair extensions that is convenient and easy, and absolutely takes a matter of 60 seconds to actually put in my hair. So I want to come and show you guys my hair extensions today. So I'm going to show you guys, I know a lot of people show you how to put in your hair extensions using a comb, but I honestly have never used a comb to put in my hair extensions. What I do is take my pinky and I slide my finger through the part that I actually want to actually put the weft, and I actually just clip the hair onto there. So I've been wearing my hair in a slick back kind of way lately. I feel like I'm such like a celebrity, like a rock star. I feel super sexy with this style, and so I've been wearing my hair like this for a while, but I might change it up a little bit later. But this just makes me feel really good, and then the clip-in hair extension just allow me to add extra length and extra volume and density to my own hair. And so like I said, I just feel so sexy, and I hope you will as well. And these hair extensions, of course, are from Only Virgin Hair. Okay, so I'm back. This is my hair without the clip-in hair extensions, and as you see, I need the extensions. Okay, let's get started. So the clip-ins come with 7 clip-ins. I am only going to put in 5 clip-ins because I just like that density for my hair. But it's sometimes when I'm going out to dinner with my husband, I will add in those extra 2 hair extensions just to give that extra viva-vu. But on a daily basis, I just go ahead and just always clip in those 5 clip-ins because I just like that natural look and that, you know, feel on my hair. So let's get started. So this is my hair. Like I said, some people will actually show you how to put in clip-in hair extensions with a comb. I have never put in my clip-ins with a comb simply because I am on the move and I don't have time for a comb. This has to be done in 60 seconds or less, okay? Or it's not gonna be done, all right? Convenience, convenience, convenience. I'm very low maintenance, and I just love to look glamorous, but not take a lot of time doing so. We're busy, okay? So let's get started. So the first clip in, I'll just take it back here, so I'll just part this off my hair, and just like, you know, you just want to part to have a line. I do like a say like a this would be a concave or convex line. I mean, depending on how you're looking at it, it could be a concave or convex. So I'll take that, and of course I dropped my hair extensions off my thigh. So I'll take that back there. Okay, so this is the one. So I start with a three clip weft, and this is going to be my first row actually. So you see this hair is so gorgeous. I start with this one here. It's like a 3 clip weft. Okay. All right, and so I flip it around and I just put it in there. I just clip it on to my hair. And if you notice, my first part is pretty much a little bit higher than the mid part of my ears, because if you don't want to start too low, but then you also don't want to start too high. So you don't want to start too low, but then you also don't want to start too high, because to me, I don't like my clip-in being too high, because if I want to do like a high ponytail, or if I want to like do a mid-length ponytail, or a straight back ponytail, or a high bun, the way you put your clip-ins in will make a difference. And I'll do another video on that so you can see how, you know, you could do versatile styles. You can even work out with your clip-ins in. You know, you want nobody at the gym know that ain't your hair when you walked in there with all down your back. But you can have many options with clip-in hair extensions, and I'll show you guys that on another video. But this one is how you clip them in. Alright, so now we're going to take the next parting, and we are going to part the hair off. So it feels as if, for some reason, it feels like it goes a little longer when you're filming yourself. Alright, so perfect. And typically I do have a clip with me. Like, I'll just keep a clip like this in my car, so when I'm grabbing my hair extension, I'll be honest, sometimes my clip-in, if I take my clip-in extensions out in my car, they're probably in my car the next morning. So the clip and the hair extensions are already in the car when it's time for me to put them in when I'm driving down the road at a red light. So now I'll take a 4 clip weft, and I'll put in that one in on the next row. And so basically you want to find your middle part of your hair, your middle point, and then you want to start there and then work your way out to the ends, the parameter of your head when you're clipping in your hair extensions. And try not to clip any of your hair from the clip, because that's going to hurt. And you don't want that stress on your hair like that all day. So you want to make sure you don't clip in the hair from above. Alright, so now you take another part. Alright, I'm going to tie this, clip this down. You want to take the other 4 clip weft, and just go ahead and clip her. It's already open. Go ahead and clip her onto your hair. So it's, like I said, find your middle points, and then find the middle point of your hair, clip down, and then you work to the parameter. Okay, perfect. And you can see how fast this will go, like once you get the hang of it. And for some reason on camera it feels like it's going slow. Alright, so apparently I made some kind of mistake over here, so I need to reclip this one. There we go. You will feel for it, like if you did something wrong. So don't worry at all. And this one, because I'm going to line these two, so I have a 3-clip weft left, and then I have a 2-clip weft left. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to line them up on the same row together. So I'm going to take this one and add it on this side, but I'm still going to use the same methodology, finding my middle clip first, and then finding my middle point in my head, but of course your middle side point on your head, and then you'll take the rest of the clip and you will clip it down. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing on this side over here, but only you have, actually I'm going to scoot this one to the back a little bit. Actually, yeah, I'm going to say find a middle point here, because I don't like them too far close on my edge, because you want to still be able to touch your hair without wearing it. And so I don't have a mirror in front of me, obviously my mirror's behind me, but I'm using the camera. So you want to, I don't like mine too close to my edge, because you want to be able to rub your hands through your head, or you know, or your wind blows and without you being scared like, oh, my weft showing. No, relax, we put them in right. All right, so on this side we want to do the same exact thing, and we want to take our hair. Okay, so we want to find obviously the mid, so this is a 2-clip weft, so our mid point is the middle here. So basically we'll take this and we'll find where we left off on the last one, and we will clip here, and then we'll clip. So I'm going to go down a little bit so that it won't come to the front there. Okay, perfect. Because I wear a heavy amount of hair. So actually what I'm going to do, because I don't like that, I'm going to take that back out. Alright, and we're going to clip, find the middle point here. We're going to clip here. Alright, here we go. There we go. Okay, perfect. Now let's take her out and match her up here with this one, and she's down and she's in. Voila, guys, we got it, didn't we, after all? Okay, I'm telling you, it's because I'm on camera and I'm doing this for you guys. It's the reason why that clip didn't want to work. Okay, all right, so this here is perfect. So this is how I've been wearing my hair lately. I really like just wearing it all back off of my face. It's just so convenient. I mean, I'm always doing a lot of things. So as you guys seen, that was extremely easy to put in, and all you have to do is just get you some Only Virgin Hair clip-in hair extensions and come back and watch this video again. Let me know, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want me to make another video or shorter, straight to the point, give me a comment below. Put a comment below and I will do that. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and actually cut this video up and actually make it into like a 1-minute video, just only showing how to put them in, and then make another video talking about the clip-in hair extension, the convenience of them, and why I love them so much. But this has been fun. I try to make sure, because I don't even have no mirror, so I don't even know what's going on here. So all right, so also I'm gonna leave the link below to my look, as well as how you can go online to order your own clip-in hair extensions. All right, guys, also give me some suggestions below on what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. Till next time.